Home window replacement in Harahan, LA delivers immediate comfort, better curb appeal, and stronger long-term value for homeowners across Jefferson Parish. Residential window replacement with energy-efficient windows helps reduce heat gain, lower cooling costs, and improve indoor comfort in Louisiana's humid climate. Vinyl replacement windows, insulated window units, and low-E glass windows are popular choices for Harahan, Louisiana home windows because they combine durability with performance. Homeowners looking for residential windows in Harahan can compare double-pane windows, triple-pane windows, and custom window sizing to match the home style while improving efficiency, noise control, and year-round reliability. Window replacement Harahan, LA is also a smart upgrade for homes near New Orleans, River Ridge, Metairie, Kenner, and Elmwood. Professional window installers can recommend house window installation options that fit older homes, newer builds, and renovation projects throughout Jefferson Parish. Local window contractors Harahan, LA often provide window replacement consultation to evaluate drafts, broken seals, damaged frames, and outdated glass. From window frame replacement to drafty window installation, the right solution can improve ventilation, reduce outside noise, and increase the performance of residential window upgrades in River Ridge, LA and surrounding neighborhoods. Energy-efficient window replacement Harahan is a strong investment for homeowners who want better insulation and lower utility bills. Many homeowners researching window replacement Harahan, LA choose low-E window installation Harahan, Louisiana, insulated residential windows Harahan, LA, and double-pane window installation Harahan, LA to support a more consistent indoor temperature. Low-E window installation Harahan, Louisiana helps reflect heat while preserving natural light, and insulated residential windows Harahan, LA can support a more consistent indoor temperature. Double-pane window installation Harahan, LA remains a trusted option, while triple-pane windows provide even more thermal performance for select homes. For properties needing soundproof windows Harahan, LA, noise-reducing windows can help block traffic and neighborhood sounds. These upgrades work well for home window replacement projects across Harahan and nearby areas. Vinyl windows Harahan, Louisiana remain one of the most requested products because they are low maintenance, durable, and cost-effective. New vinyl windows in Kenner, Louisiana, premium replacement windows in Metairie, Louisiana, and affordable window replacement Jefferson Parish, LA are all popular searches for homeowners comparing options. Vinyl replacement windows can be configured as casement windows, double-hung windows, picture windows, sliding windows, or awning windows depending on the home's design and airflow goals. Licensed window company Harahan, LA teams often help customers choose frames, finishes, and glass packages that suit both performance needs and architectural style. Window glass replacement Harahan, LA is a practical service for cracked panes, fogged insulated glass, and damaged seals that impact efficiency. House window replacement Jefferson Parish often includes replacement of the full sash or frame when the damage is extensive. Custom window replacement Harahan, LA can solve unusual openings, historic dimensions, or remodeling challenges that require custom window sizing. Window frame installation Harahan, Louisiana is also common when the existing structure is still sound but needs restoration. For homeowners seeking window retrofit services, upgrading the glass and seals can provide major improvement without full tear-out replacement. Hurricane impact windows Harahan, Louisiana are important for Gulf South homes that need added protection from severe weather. Hurricane-resistant windows, insulated window units, and strong frame systems can help improve safety while meeting regional performance expectations. Homeowners searching for residential window replacement in Harahan often want products that protect against wind, debris, and moisture while also enhancing energy savings. Window replacement Harahan, LA specialists can explain the benefits of impact-rated glass, reinforced frames, and professional installation. These upgrades are especially valuable for properties in Jefferson Parish and communities near the New Orleans area. Window installers near Harahan, LA play a critical role in ensuring proper fit, seal, and long-term performance. Best window installers near Harahan, Louisiana typically handle measurements, removal, installation, trim finishing, and window warranty service with attention to detail. Home window installation near Elmwood, LA and replacement windows near New Orleans, Louisiana often require experienced crews familiar with regional building conditions. Professional window installers can also help with new construction windows for additions, remodels, and new builds. Quality installation supports energy-efficient windows, smooth operation, and better durability for the life of the product. Casement windows, double-hung windows, picture windows, sliding windows, and awning windows each offer distinct benefits for Harahan, Louisiana home windows. House window installation choices often depend on airflow, natural light, cleaning convenience, and exterior aesthetics. Residential window replacement clients in Harahan may prefer casement windows for ventilation, double-hung windows for flexibility, picture windows for open views, or sliding windows for easy operation. New construction windows can be matched to the same styles, while window retrofit services can update existing openings without major structural change. The right style selection supports both function and design. Residential window upgrades in River Ridge, LA, window frame replacement Harahan, Louisiana, and window glass replacement Harahan, LA are all part of a broader strategy to modernize homes across the West Bank and East Bank regions. Home window replacement projects often focus on comfort, safety, efficiency, and resale value. Whether the goal is insulated residential windows Harahan, LA, low-E glass windows, or custom window sizing, a trusted approach delivers lasting results. From licensed window company Harahan, LA support to affordable window replacement Jefferson Parish, LA, homeowners can improve every room with strong products, careful installation, and local expertise. Window replacement Harahan, LA delivers a strong upgrade for comfort, curb appeal, and long-term value. Homeowners searching for residential window replacement, home window replacement, and house window installation in Harahan, Louisiana can benefit from energy-efficient windows, vinyl replacement windows, double pane windows, and triple pane windows designed for Gulf South conditions. From residential windows in Harahan to replacement windows near New Orleans, Louisiana, the right solution improves insulation, lowers utility costs, and supports better indoor temperature control. Professional window installers can also recommend low-E glass windows, insulated window units, and custom window sizing for a precise fit. Residential windows in Harahan need to handle heat, humidity, and storms, which is why hurricane-resistant windows, hurricane impact windows Harahan, Louisiana, and insulated residential windows Harahan, LA are popular upgrades. Local window contractors Harahan, LA often suggest low-E window installation Harahan, Louisiana, soundproof windows Harahan, LA, and noise-reducing windows for homes near busy roads and commercial corridors. For homeowners comparing premium replacement windows in Metairie, Louisiana, vinyl windows Harahan, Louisiana, and new vinyl windows in Kenner, Louisiana, choosing durable products with a solid window warranty service can help protect the investment for years. House window replacement. Jefferson Parish projects often begin with a detailed window replacement consultation to identify drafty window installation needs, window frame replacement, and window glass replacement Harahan, LA requirements. Whether the home needs casement windows, double-hung windows, picture windows, sliding windows, or awning windows, experienced window installers near Harahan, LA can match style, function, and performance. Many homeowners also request window retrofit services for older properties, especially when upgrading to custom window replacement Harahan, LA or window frame installation Harahan, Louisiana without full structural changes. Energy-efficient window replacement Harahan is a smart option for reducing air leakage and improving year-round comfort. Low-E glass windows, double-pane window installation Harahan, LA, and insulated window units can make a noticeable difference in homes exposed to sun and stormy weather. For residential window upgrades in River Ridge, LA and nearby communities, homeowners often compare professional window installers, licensed window company Harahan, LA options, and best window installers near Harahan, Louisiana to find reliable service and quality workmanship. New construction windows are also available for additions and remodels. Affordable window replacement Jefferson Parish, LA is available for property owners wanting value, style, and performance in one project. From home window installation near Elmwood, LA to custom window sizing in Harahan, the right contractor can provide house window replacement Jefferson Parish solutions tailored to each home. Residential window replacement, window glass replacement, and window frame installation. Harahan, Louisiana can all be coordinated with energy-efficient windows, new construction windows, and durable replacement systems. For homeowners wanting a dependable upgrade, window replacement. Harahan, LA remains one of the most effective improvements available for comfort, efficiency, and long-term home value.